So the James Webb Space Telescope is the greatest time machine ever built. Now, Webb is not a full-service time machine. It can only visit the past, not the future, and it only allows you to watch the past, not change it. And you can't watch your own past. But how does it work? This beautiful sunshine is 8 minutes old because that's how long it takes the light to travel the 93 million miles from the sun to the Earth. We can take a snapshot of any era of cosmic time by collecting light from a sufficiently distant place. Webb is designed to capture light that's been traveling for over 13 billion years from the unexplored era when the very first stars and galaxies lit up. What kind of machine can do this? Webb needs a huge eyeball to collect this incredibly faint primordial starlight. We've placed a life-size rendition of the Webb mirror on the walk. You can raise your hands if you're standing on it just so people can get a sense of how big it is, right? To stay in focus, this huge Webb mirror must hold the perfect shape to within half the size of a COVID virus. During their journey, these photons shift from visible starlight into infrared light that humans can't see, but Webb's specialized mirrors and cameras can. But if those infrared photons enter Earth's atmosphere, they'll be destroyed in the last millisecond of their 13 billion year voyage by the same molecules responsible for the greenhouse effect. So our time machine needs to be outside of Earth's atmosphere. Webb is not the biggest telescope on Earth, but it is the biggest telescope off Earth. Building Webb has been an expensive and often controversial 20-year effort, but all parties are extremely happy and relieved that Webb is actually successful after all that investment. We're already on our way to better understanding how our universe emerged from the darkness. Thank you.